roughly 24 hours ago, I took some dialysis tubing. I tied off one end, added about 20 milliliters of starch solution into the tubing, sealed it off on the other end, and then I put it into a beaker of water. Then I added some iodine into the water. So whenever we had our setup yesterday, we had on the inside of the tubing, the liquid was clear, and on the outside in the beaker, the liquid was like that orangish brownish color because of the iodine solution. So we let it sit overnight, and we said that the dialysis tubing, the cool thing about it is semi-permeable. So that means that there are little tiny pores, little tiny holes in the dialysis tubing that lets small molecules move across that membrane. So whenever we put our starch solution into the tubing, we squeezed on it and we saw that the stuff could not come out. So that means that the starch molecules, whatever makes up that starch solution, it has to be too big to fit through that pore. So today, this is the same solution, and this is the color of everything. So inside the beaker, we have clear now. There's a little bit of that orangish brownish color still left, but you can't hardly see it on camera. And inside the tubing now, instead of clear, we have a blue color to our liquid inside. So what does that mean? If the starch solution couldn't come out before, that means it couldn't come out overnight either. That means that whatever was in here must have moved through into and mixed with the starch solution. So if you take iodine and you mix it with the starch solution, you'll get this sort of color, blue. This is exactly how different membranes in our bodies work and cells work, like the cell membrane, like the plasma membrane, like your intestines. There are little perforations so that the small particles can diffuse easily across that membrane.